Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of Python, which is cosh. So cosh function is mainly used to calculate the hyperbolic of cos, or you can say hyperbolic of cosine. So whenever you want to calculate the hyperbolic of cosine, in that case you can utilize this function cosh function. But before that, we need to import one module, and the module name is math module, because all these mathematical related functions comes with this math module only. So on line number 8, what I'm doing, I'm importing this module. So once you have imported this module in your program, then later you can utilize it anywhere in your program throughout the program. Okay, so we just imported it. After that, we are using this function, so math.cosh, and as a parameter I'm providing the value as 0. So when we calculate the cosh, or you can say hyperbolic of cosine for 0, then the output would be 1.0. So let's verify the same. I'm running the program here, Python session 78.py, hitting enter. So you can see the first output we got is 1.0. Now look at the second scenario. In second scenario, we are passing the value as 1. So when you calculate the hyperbolic of cosine for 1, the output would be 1.543 something. Alright. Now look at the third scenario. In third scenario, we are passing the negative value. So yes, we can pass the negative value as well. So as in parameter, I am passing -2. So when it calculates the cosh for -2, the output would be like 3.7621 something. Okay. In the same manner, like if you go for the further scenarios, here I'm passing the value as 10. So when we calculate the hyperbolic of cosine for 10, the output would be 111,013.2329 something. And if you want to calculate the hyperbolic of cosine for a decimal value, so you can use that. And in scenario number 5th, I'm using the same. So I'm providing the decimal value as in parameter, which is 0.01. And if we calculate the hyperbolic for this, then output would be 1.0000500 something. Okay. In the same manner, like so far we have passing the values like 0.01, but this time I'm passing 2.5, which is a decimal value. So when you calculate the output for this, the output would be 1.005 something. Not for this. For this it would be 6.1322. Okay, 1.00 is is for the fifth scenario. For the sixth scenario, it is 6.132. Clear? Now look at the seventh scenario. In seventh scenario, what we are doing, we are passing the value but in parameter. So instead of passing direct value, we are using this x variable, and I have stored 0.5 in this variable. And when we are passing it into this cosh function, so when we calculate for this x variable, the output would be 1.127 something. Okay. So yeah, these are the some possible scenarios through which we can understand the cosh function. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.